Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Today we have another resistance band workout. Yes, we're continuing with the resistance bands. We've done shoulders, back, chest. Now we're working on the arms, triceps and biceps today. 4 different exercises, 3 sets per exercise. We're gonna breeze right through this. Remember, I want you to use proper resistance to give yourself 8 to 12 repetitions per exercise per set. So you tire those suckers out so they're nice and effective. You build strength, endurance, and size, and everybody wants kind of a little bit of that. So let's get started. We're starting off with tricep kickbacks. This is a no tie-off workout, by the way, so I'm not gonna be tying this up to anywhere. So with tricep kickbacks, it's a little difficult because you like to have tension all the way from here. With no tie-off point, it doesn't work quite as well, but still a good exercise, and that's where we're starting off. So I'm gonna step forward like so, and then bend back, and this way I have at least a little bit of resistance while we're starting off. And usually when I do this, when I choke up on a bend, I like to put my thumb through it so the bend doesn't slip out of my hand. So we're gonna bend back, go all the way like this, and we're just gonna kick back. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1. You don't have to count, just give me a good effort. These start burning pretty quickly, at least for me. And that's that. Switch sides, same idea. Step forward, so we get a little bit more resistance. Bring the elbow up, and then just pull back. Ready? And let's go. Keep it up. Keep going. Remember, we're doing 3 sets of each. And wait, a couple more. 1, that burns pretty good, and 2. Now we'll take a little break. Since we're working both sides, breaks are gonna be a little bit shorter because the right arm for me got to rest while the left one's working. So in a few seconds, we'll be ready to rock and roll today. And I also wanna kind of speed through this because we're just isolating the arms. This should not be a workout on its own. If you're just using resistance bands, you should be able to combine this with a different body part maybe. Same idea, step back and kick back. Ready? Let's go. Keep it up. Work with me, guys. Resistance bands work great for a lot of the exercises. Remember, your body does not know what you're using for resistance as long as it feels resistance. So if you're using a dumbbell right now or a cable machine or this resistance band, it doesn't really know the difference. So the effort you put into it is the exact result you're going to get, regardless of the piece of equipment you are using. And we're switching sides because Paul is tired of that side. Switch sides, same thing, step back, arm back, and kick back. Keep that elbow steady and just keep going. Like I said, we're gonna go through this pretty quickly today, hopefully. Less than 15 minutes. Couple more, 1 and 2. And we'll take a little break. No, there's no clock. I'm not looking at the clock. It's just the usual preview. Per usual, if you are new here, previews are always delivered right there. If there is a clock, it's going to be on this wall. Welcome to Fit After 50 if you're new. I don't know if I introduced myself. My name is Paul. Been doing this for over 6 years right now. There's a workout every Monday and every Thursday. And lately we've been pushing resistance band workouts as they are pretty popular. And I like to give you guys exactly what you're asking for. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and pull back. Keep it up. Keep going. Come on. And switch sides. Step roughly on the same part of the band so we get equal resistance going across the board. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and the other side. Keep it up. Two, couple more. 1 and 2. And that is enough for me. All right. Now, we're going to overhead tricep extensions, doubles, however. So I'm gonna, you guys will see, I'm gonna take this band and we might as well get started. And I'm going to put it behind me, and the ceiling's low here, so you're not gonna be able to see me fully extend, but you'll get the idea. I'm gonna put this band behind me, get my heels up on it, like so. There we go. Now we can look back at you and smile. Extend the arms overhead. Put both of them in there and do an extension. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Keep those elbows in and just concentrate on the tricep. Keep it up. Keep going. Nice and slow. Full extension. And all the way down under control. Full range of motion. I got 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. And that's set number 1. We got 2 more sets, yes. It's starting to burn. It feels good. And there's nothing like having. They say, you know, the pump is not really reflective of your workout, but it still freaking feels good, right? So we still like to do it. I like to do it. So yeah, the pump feels good. And as long as you're pushing it, you get a good pump and you build strength and growth in that muscle, as long as you're, you know, within a couple repetitions of failure with good form. And if your form starts to, this exercise or any other exercise, if your form starts to break down towards the end, it's okay to cheat a little bit to get a couple more extra repetitions. Just a little bit. All right, set number 1 done. Set number 2, get that bent up over your head. And make sure you don't hit anything, and let's go. 1. Don't have to count. Keep those elbows tucked in as much as you can. Full range of motion, all the way down, let it pull you back and up. Back and up. Keep it up. That's it, God. Whew, these are getting shorter and shorter. I actually thought about using the purple band for this. It was relatively difficult just to wiggle myself into position. I'm glad I stayed with a black band. Maybe I could use a little bit extra resistance, but that's okay. We just do a couple extra repetitions, not a big deal. 2 sets down, 1 set to go, and we're gonna be done with the triceps. Guys, if they don't hurt today, they are going to hurt tomorrow. Trust me. Leave a comment tomorrow. Let me know how your arms feel. Maybe even a day after that. I can guarantee if you're putting in the work today on these isolation movements, you're going to feel it. All right, 3rd and final tricep set. 3, 2, 1, and up. And let's go. Nice and slow. Keep it going. Okay, a couple more. 1, 2, I'm gonna do 1 more, and 3, and we are done. All right, we'll put this sucker away. Don't wanna see that anymore. But we done the triceps, obviously we gotta do the biceps. So we're gonna do a basic curl and then a hammer curl, the 2 exercises that we are going for us today. So the basic curl, I'm going to use the purple band, which is gonna be heavy. Did I write purple? I did write purple. And we're gonna do both arms at once, and then for the hammer curl, we're gonna do singles. So the way I like to do this, I like to step on the band and not just grab it like this. There's not much resistance. You could do this, there's nothing wrong with that. Maybe first set will make it a little easier. So I'll just grab the band the way it is, and then we'll see what we do on the subsequent sets. You guys ready to go? Good posture, arms back, and 3, 2, 1, and a curl up and up. Keep going. Up and down. Keep it up. Couple more. 1 and 2, and ease up. And that's set number 1. We got 2 more sets of these bicep exercises. And there's so many different exercises you can do for arms. Obviously, this is just 4. Probably 4 of the most common ones, and that's okay. Don't make it too difficult. You don't have to come up with weird ass variations on this stuff. Keep it simple, something you can repeat all the time. This is easy. You got 15 minutes. Once You could probably do this once a week if you're working out with weights a couple other times and just isolate your arms once a week. If you want to jump back and do a little bit of core, I'll leave a link to a core workout now. Jump back and do a little bit of core when you're done, and boom, you got yourself a great little 20-25 minute workout. All right, that was set number 1. Moving on to set number 2. This set I'm going to make a little more difficult. So I'm going to do is wrap my arms around the band once, so provide a little extra resistance. Hopefully it doesn't slap in my face. We'll find out shortly, and let's go. There we go. Keep it up. Nice and good tension. Up, all the way down. Up, down. We got 3 more. 1, 2, 1 more, and 3. And unwind. 1 more set. 1 more set. Yes, yes. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna keep on going with these resistance band workouts. We're gonna move around to legs probably after this, since we did all the upper body. We're gonna do lower body next. So maybe we'll do a couple days of legs, so there's a lot of different exercises. Once again, a little more difficult when you don't tie this off, but that's the whole point. If you're working out at home, you can't tie this band off to something that's not really heavy. This, I think, on this purple band up to like 95 pounds of resistance. That'd be a heck of a tie-off point. You need something heavy, a squat rack or something of that sort. I think even if you tie this to the door, that's putting a lot of pressure on the door, and you definitely do not want to tie it to a door handle of any sort, because you'll rip that sucker right off. All right, I like the little extra resistance, so I'm gonna wrap my arms around it so I can get a better curl. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Keep it up. I don't like looking down at the bend because I can feel if the brace is gonna slap me right in the face. Keep it up. 1, 2, 1 more, and 3, and hold, and on the way down. All right, 1 exercise left, guys. And then we're gonna be done. We're going hammer curl. Same. I'm gonna use the same. I think I'm gonna use the same. Try it. Purple. I wrote purple. I'm doing purple. Give it a shot. Singles, hammer curls. Work a little bit for different muscle or the bicep. Not the most visible muscle, but one that will get your arms nice and thick, and also your forearm. So step on your band. See, purple, I mean some resistance. Once again, my thumb is tucked. The band goes over my thumb, then I'm holding on to the rest of it. So hammer curl, you're gonna need a little more room here. Nice and upright. Palms facing forward, and we're gonna curl. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Up, up, down. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a short-lived set with the purple band. Keep it up. I got 1 more. Beautiful. Switch sides. We'll go through this rather quickly. A little bit of resistance right here, right at the bottom. I want some resistance. I don't want this band to have any kind of looseness in it, and let's go. And curl up. One more. Oh yeah, these are tough. That's good. That's what a workout is supposed to be. It's not supposed to be easy, right? Some days are. Some days we recover and they're easier. I'm switching right away because they're almost resting, and we're going right back to the arm I started with, which is my right side, and let's go. Like I said, I like to keep this a relatively short workout. That's that. It's getting shorter and shorter, and we're switching sides. Resistance is there, and let's go. Curl up and down. Up, down. Keep it up. Up, down. Come on, work with me. Up and down. 1 more. Up and down. We have 1 more set on each side. Let's get set right up. Resistance. Up, and let's go. Up, down. Keep going. Push it. It's okay. I got 1 more. And one more. And now we're switching sides for last and final set. And then you're free to go about your day. This is a Monday workout, so if you guys do this in the morning, have a great day of work and a wonderful week. Last set, let's go. Up, down, up, down. Keep it up, down. A couple more. 1, 2, I'm gonna do one more. And 3. Whew. Yeah, definitely gonna feel this later. Guys, this was our resistance band arm workout. Thank you for joining me today. Make sure you come back for more workouts every Monday and every Thursday, like clockwork. My name is Paul, this is Fit After 50, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.